Hey everyone, welcome to The Honest Actor. I have a tip for you today directed at self-taping. So one thing that I want to share with you about self-taping and that's very integral is eye lines. If you do not have a good handle on eye lines, it immediately makes your tape seem amateur. What I mean by that is if there's no sure place where you know you're landing to look to talk to someone who, let's face it, a lot of the time isn't there, it gives your tape a sense of a lack of clarity. And one of the things that is the most amazing to watch in actors is specificity and clarity. So let me share this tip with you. If you're choosing eye lines, be very specific. Use post-it notes if you have to. If you're working with a ring light, you can put them directly on the ring light. You can have a stand. You can have a mark in the background. And another thing is to keep them relatively close to the barrel of the camera. So we have an eye line here versus an eye line there versus an eye line there. If you're watching someone exit, you might extend your eye line to there before coming back, very close to the barrel of the camera, or on the other side of the camera here. The camera sees eyes moving very, very clearly. For example, one of the most powerful things that you can do on camera for eye lines, especially if you're trying to read as analyzing someone, distrusting, maybe even bitchy, is the up and down eye line. So I'm traveling down and up. Maybe you're checking someone out, who knows? Or you're doubtful, right? It's just a shift in eye line, but it's quite large comparatively to stage work. And also think about this in a self-tape, you're going to be in a closer mid shot. So maybe if you're filming in the wide, it's going to be different, but for auditions, it's quite close. So you just want to keep your eyes quite close to the barrel of the camera because ideally, this is what we want to see. We want to see all of the activity happening in those beautiful eyes of yours. So make sure that you are definitely not testing on profile and that you are not pitching your eye line too far. Your reader sometimes can sit almost right behind the camera and then give you that really beautiful tight eye line that most casting agents will be looking for, just because we need to see your eyes when we're looking at audition, to see into your soul and all of that wonderful finite expression that comes around from this part of your face. Good luck with your auditions, and I will see you next week. Bye.